Fall is one of the most beautiful seasons in America. Almost 99.99999% of the Americans love this season. It is also known as autumn in some parts of the world. Autumn/fall is the transitional season, i.e., it transitions from summer into the winter. The reason everyone loves this season is because everything around you becomes so magical as nature itself is going through a transition of its colors.
Fall is the killer of summer and it brings a lot of festivals and a lot of activities because fall is technically the harvesting season in America. But the biggest highlight of the season is the Halloween. Halloween is something that people celebrate on the 31st of October where kids go out and do trick or treats. But people start preparing stuff throughout the month of October where they'll decorate their house with scary stuff and do a couple of other activities like carving of the pumpkins, which is called jack-o'-lantern. What are it called?
Jack-o'-lantern.
Daddy, Mom, you're such a good chef! Sorry about my language over there, it's very hard to put a camera in the car while you're driving at the same time, like a sports car racer, shit like that. Anyways, as I was saying, that today we are going to do the Jack-o'-lantern, something like that.
Jack-o'-lantern. What are you saying?
Jack-o'-lantern?
Lantern.
Lantern?
Lantern. Yes.
Lantern.
Yes.
Lantern. Jack-o'-lantern.
Close enough.
Anyways, you get the point. And to make those jack-o'-lantern or whatever that thing is, we'll have to buy some pumpkins. And the pumpkins we are going to buy are going to be from a farm. The area I live in, there are so many farms around here, so I'll be taking you to a farm tour where a actual farm with cows, horses and other small animals and some pumpkins too. But before we go to the farm and buy some pumpkins and carve them, I am a little bit hungry, but I don't know what to eat. Hanji?
Biryani, please. Biryani?
Biryani?
Hanji, mujhe biryani khani hai.
Whoa. That's a lot of food coming out. Where it is coming from?
Hanji, main tora seekh rahi hu.
All right over there. Let's go get biryani. Before all the Urdu flows out and there's none left for tomorrow. Biryani time. That was one big order of biryani, perfect spices, perfect taste. A little less meaty, I would prefer a little more meat, but it did hit the spot. Anyways, now it's the farm time.
Wow. Look at all the pumpkins. Which one should we take? Paying attention to me. Look at these alpacas. Hi guys. You gonna say anything? No? Just chilling? No. It's okay.
Fresh apple juice. This is what I come up for over here for, and fresh donuts. Really fresh. Still warm and soft. Now we'll go home and the pumpkin carving competition will start. Now it's time for the pumpkin carving competition. So the rules of the competition are very simple. We both will come up with our unique ideas however we want, and then we'll have to carve those ideas on these pumpkins. We both get one pumpkin, and whoever design is the best, the ugly face is the best,
wins the competition and will owe the other person $100. Now the question is, who will be the judge of this competition? Well, you guys will be the judge of the competition. So let us know in the comment section that whose job or whose design or whose pumpkin is better, so that that person wins the $100. And now we are all ready to start our carving. In order to make less mess, we are using the brown paper bags and our tools to carve the pumpkin. So the first thing I did in order to help my creativity is went on the phone, opened the Google and searched pumpkin face. And then I scrolled through a couple of pictures and some scary funny faces, and I eventually finally found the one I wanted. As soon as I found the face for my pumpkin, I went balls in and started to carve at once, while my opponent was still figuring out what to do.
Okay, what should we do here? It has to be something good. Nothing too hard though, but I still have to be awesome and I have to win this. So, what are you doing already? You have your design?
You don't need to look at this. Go look at your thing.
Yeah, okay. Anyway, okay, back to this. Let's see here. Something. Ooh, okay. How about this? Done. Saved. Easy enough. It's cute. I like it. Woohoo!
As soon as she figured out what face she wanted for her pumpkin, she became like a witch, the Halloween witch, and started to gut that poor pumpkin without any mercy. Whereas on the other side, I was being so gentle with the pumpkin and my drawing that I was kind of falling in love with this Angelina Jolie of the pumpkins. I am already done with my design and now it's time to carve it. My Angelina Jolie of the pumpkins was so beautiful that I did not want to put my knife in her head, but I had to do it for the Halloween. Though my heart was bleeding, but I was enjoying the process so much that I had to repeat the same thing with her eyes and her mouth. I was enjoying the whole process so much that I did not even realize that I was almost done now. And all I needed to do is just clean my pumpkin, put a light inside it and wait for your comments and win the $100. Whereas on the other side, my opponent was still struggling with her design. I guess you have to learn how to love your pumpkin. I am all done with my pumpkin. The carving, the design, the cleaning, everything is all done. Now just waiting for her. And you know how hers are. You gotta wait forever.
I'm done.
Really?
Yeah, I'm all done. I'm ready to go. Let's get some lights in these babies and see how it goes.
So our decorations are almost done and now you guys have to be the judge and who did better. Either me or her. But you guys can't see what we did if the lights are on. So I'll need to turn off the lights. And this is what I did. Ooh la la. The scariest monster ever existed on this planet Earth. But that's not the only thing. Let's see what she did.
Ooh, that bear's looking at it.
Ooh, is that boo written in the
That
middle?
is boo. If you'll notice, I did write that word boo. So I think it's pretty creative.
That is cool though. Well, now you guys have to be the judge that who did better and who should get more marks and who should win the scariest pumpkin for the season. The place is mess, so we now have to clean the mess. If you guys like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and yeah, peace.